Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Vaquita porpoise. Thanks to an email from a fan and her daughter, I now know about the vaquita and how it's one of the world's most endangered marine mammal. Vaquitas are really cute because they look like they have lips, right? And they're really small. The adult only goes up to about 5 feet long. Vaquitas live in the Gulf of California, and the reason they're endangered is because they get caught in nets. I hope this video will inspire you to spread the awareness of this cute little marine mammal. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this vaquita, we're going to first start by drawing its mouth. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a small curve. So this is going to be the mouth. And then I'm just going to go up again. And I'm just going to stop there, and then I'm going to come back right where I started, and I'm going to come in with a smile for the vaquita. So about right there, I'm just going to come in with a curve, just a slight curve. And cap it off. You round this part off a little bit if you like. Then from there, right at this point right here, I'm going to come down with a curve. From there, I'm going to come up more right here. I'm going to start to draw the top of its head. So I'm just going to go all the way up. So you're going to do it step by step. And so right here, we're going to bring it down. So just step back and take a look and see how much more you need to go. And let's see here. I'm going to go up more now. And we're going to start to draw more of the body. So before we finish that, let's come in here and draw the eye so it looks a little bit better so you know what's going on. So right where the mouth is in this area, I'm just going to draw a big circle for the eyes. So drawing a vaquita is kind of like drawing a dolphin, except the mouth is very different. It's smaller, it doesn't have that snout-like mouth. So that's the main difference. And so right here, I'm going to make them draw a cute eye. So 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. There. Okay, so then now let's start to draw the body. So I'm going to start bringing this down. And let's come in here a little bit more. So about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to start to draw one of the flippers. So I'm going to come in right here, curve it out, and we're going to round it off and bring it back in. From there, let's go ahead and connect this flipper. So I'm going to come right here and just add a curve. There. So then now we're going to imagine this line continuing down through. So about right here, it's going to come back out. And let's start to bring this down. So we're tapering as we go down. So we're going to start to draw the tail. And we're going to bring down the curve. So we're getting smaller. And about right there, we'll start to bring it together. About that much. And then right here, we're going to start to draw the tail. So I'm going to come out, curve on both sides. And then let's go in towards the center. So we're going to give it a little rounded point. Dip it in and right towards the center. And so same thing on this side. And a little point. There. Now to draw the fin. So we're going to come about in this area right here. We're going to draw the fin. So let's say come about right here. Come out. Up. Round it off. And curve it in and down. And then let's draw the back flipper right here. So same come about right here. And just a little part of it, so just round it off and in. And come in here, just draw a slight curve over the eye. And last but not least, I'm going to come right here and give him a little heart. So now it's my Draw So Cute Vaquita. So there, I hope you guys loved this drawing and it was easy for you to follow along. If you'd like to learn more about the vaquita, make sure to Google it, and hopefully this drawing will inspire you to spread awareness of this endangered species. Thank you, cuties, for always inspiring me with new ideas and teaching me about new things out there. I just want you to know that I really do appreciate all your comments and your requests and all your messages. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved this video, please make sure to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.